Food idioms. An idiom is a group of words that in common usage has a different meaning than the literal meaning of the individual words. A bad apple. A rotten apple. A bad apple is a bad person who has a bad effect on others in a group. He's a real bad apple. If I were you, I wouldn't go out with him. A bad egg. A bad egg is a dishonest or ill-behaved person, a bad person, to be avoided. He never phoned his mother. He was a bad egg. A good egg. Good egg is a friendly, old-fashioned way to talk about a good guy or a kind person. Everyone loves Mike. He's a good egg and he's always helping people. Egghead. It is a very studious person, intellectually gifted in the field of academics, a very intelligent person. Daniel passed all of his exams. He is such an egghead. Couch potato. A couch potato is a lazy person who watches too much TV. Tom is always watching TV. He's such a couch potato. As cool as a cucumber. A person who remains calm under pressure. He is always as cool as a cucumber and never worries about anything. Tough cookie. It is a very determined, durable and robust person, a person who is difficult to deal with. Robert ran the race even though he was injured. He's a real tough cookie. A big cheese. A big cheese is an important person, a leader, usually about business. He was a really big cheese in the business world. Have egg on one's face. To be embarrassed by something one has done. She ended up with egg on her face when her teacher found out she had been lying. A hot potato. A hot potato is a very sensitive matter that is difficult or embarrassing to deal with it. I sure don't want to have to deal with that hot potato. The apple of one's eye. An apple of one's eye is someone that one likes a lot. The little girl is the apple of her mother's eye. Cry over spilt milk. Cry over spilt milk. To waste time feeling sorry about an earlier mistake or problem that cannot be changed. It is usually used in this phrase: there's no use crying over spilt milk. Yes, we made a mistake, but there's no point in crying over spilt milk. Cup of tea. Something one prefers, desires, enjoys, or cares about. This expression is used in the negative to mean the opposite. It's not my cup of tea. It means something is not to your interests or tastes. Basically, you don't like it. Golf is not my cup of tea. A hard nut to crack. A tough nut to crack. It is a difficult task to complete or a challenging and/or unreasonable person to understand or deal with. Getting an A in physics will be hard nut to crack. To put all your eggs in one basket. If you put all your eggs in one basket, you risk everything at once instead of trying to spread the risk. This is often used as a negative imperative. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. I'm applying for several jobs because I don't really want to put all my eggs in one basket. Butter someone up. To be extra nice to someone, usually for selfish reasons. I didn't do my homework last night. I'm just going to butter up the teacher. I'm sure she'll give me another extension. To be in a pickle. It means someone is in a difficult or messy situation. I'm in a pickle. I've forgotten to pick up my daughter from school. To sell like hot cakes. It means to sell quickly and in large amounts. J.K. Rowling's books sell like hotcakes. Have one's own cake and eat it. To want more than someone can handle or deserves. To try to have two incompatible things. You cannot eat the cake and still have it. She wants to have good marks, but she doesn't want to study. She wants to have a cake and eat it too. A piece of cake. A task that is easily accomplished. This test was a piece of cake. In a nutshell. To summarize or describe something in only a few words. In a nutshell, this app helps you to learn English.